Mr. Donnelyn. I'm here at high school at St. James Christian Academy, and we're doing a tutorial today, a life skill tutorial concerning math. You know, we use math in everyday life, and a lot of times people ask me, why do I need to know this? I'm never going to use it again. Yes, you will. And here's a perfect example right here. I have our teacher, Mr. Perez, and our student, Megan. And if you want to come on around, Mr. Perez is going to be solving a life problem with Megan about how to buy paint, how much paint to buy for your house. Okay? Mr. Perez, can you show the problem?
Right, Megan, if you want, you have this house here. This is a rectangular house. It has 4 rectangles, right? Again, it has 4 sides. Now the sides are 2 are shorter and 2 are longer. And the house has 2 triangles, right? One you could see up front here.
Can you point and show where you're...
And then the other one you can't see, all right? Now, if you want to find, if a can of paint, a gallon of paint covers 350 square feet, which is about right, okay? And you want to paint this house, you want to find the square footage of the house. The roof you want to ignore because nobody paints the roof, right? You want to just paint the sides of the house, right? How many gallons of paint or how much paint would you need to buy if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's when you go to the stores to buy the paint?
You want to talk us through how you figured this out, Megan?
Yes.
You want to come on over here and let's go together with Megan now. She's working off Ignitia, which is a computer program, and she's going to do her work on the paper. So go ahead, take us through what you have
Okay,
here.
I have to find the area. So to find the area you need to do base times height. The base is 24 feet and the height is 10 feet. So what I did was 24 times 10 is 240, and then because there's another side that you cannot see on a house but we know is there, that would be times 2, which is 480. So and then now I have to find the other area, which would be the base, which would be 20, and then the height, which would be 10. 20 times 10 is 200. I times it by 2. Like I said, there is that other side where you can't see. That's 400. And then I know that the area of a triangle is 1/2.
The triangle up here, right, Megan?
Yeah, is
Okay.
base times height. And then I have...
The base of the triangle is the same as the base of this rectangle here, which is 20. So this base is also 20.
Yes, there
And
is
your
the
height
base,
is 5.
20, and the height is 5.
Right.
And
So I'm sorry, like a barn-shaped house. If you have a barn-shaped house and you guys want to paint, you can't get up here to measure this. It's going to be the same as the bottom. And that's
Yeah,
what you're
the
saying.
base.
And we are gonna ignore the windows. We're not gonna. We're
Paint
gonna
the
just
window.
make this like maybe leave the windows are not there.
Okay.
Okay.
So we don't subtract for windows.
No,
we
we're not
keep
gonna
it right
subtract
in there.
the
Okay.
the spacing of the window, right?
So for the triangle, there is the base, which is 20, and the height, which is 5. And then the area is going to be 1/2 times the 20 times the 5, as in the height, is equal to 50. And then because there is 2 triangles, it's going to be times 2, which equals 100 square feet.
Yes.
And then I'm going to have the 480, the 400, and the 100 that I figured out as of the areas. I'm going to add that, which is 980. And then I'm going to times it by 2 because there is that other side that I can't
We
see.
have 2 coatings of
Yeah.
paint.
And
Right.
then there is 1,000.
Yeah, these already have the 2 sides you can't see. This, we just want to get a nice double coat.
Right.
So that too is because one coat just doesn't cover.
Right.
So that too is double. Is that right, Mr.
So it's
Perez?
like painting the house twice.
Okay.
And then there is the 1,960, and then we divide it by 350, and then
Square feet. That's how many
Square feet.
square
Yeah,
feet 1 gallon.
when you read the label of the can, like at Home Depot, they'll say 350, maybe
Right.
a little bit
the
more.
can tells you how many square feet.
Yeah.
And that's where you got your 350.
Right.
and then
Okay.
it's going to be 5.6, but then because we need to round it up because we're not going to use just a little bit of the can, it's going to be 6 gallons.
So if I bought 5, and they don't sell 5 and a half.
Yeah, they don't.
Right.
And then I'm running back to Home Depot for another trip because I miscalculated. So round up. So when you round 5.6, that's how you got 6 gallons of paint
Yes,
to do the
Megan.
job. Okay, well
That's how many gallons you will need to paint this house.
this is Mr. Perez. This is Megan. I hope we were helped today.
This is Megan, one of the A students here
I'm an A
in DMV
student.
at
Aw,
St. James Christian Academy.
And you're going to be our best painter ever.
Yes.
Coming at you from St. James Christian Academy. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.
I am the clay.